Good morning. How are you today?
Good afternoon.
I wanna buy some fresh vegetables.
Good afternoon. I'm fine. I have a lot of vegetables like cucumbers, carrots, lady's fingers, and green chilies. Everything is fresh because it's come from the farm this morning. Would you like to be?
Okay, that's great. How much are the lady's fingers and eggplants?
The price of lady's fingers is 80 taka per kilogram, and green chilies per kilogram 100 taka.
Okay, that's great. But the lady's fingers seem a bit expensive. Can you please reduce the price a little?
Yes, of course. Since you are buying several vegetables, I can give you lady's fingers of 70 taka per kilogram.
Okay, then I will buy 1 kilogram of lady's fingers and 2 kilograms of eggplants and a half kilogram of green chilies and 1 kilogram of cucumbers.
Just wait a minute, I will give you every vegetables. Please check this.
How much total?
There is the price is 450.
Okay, this is 500 taka. Please keep the change. Thank you for your good service.
Thank you very much for buying from my shop. Come again and see you next. Assalamu alaikum.